Hi, my name is Landon, and today we are going to make our almond rice pudding.
Wash your hands with soap and water. Combine 3 cups of unsweetened almond milk with 1 cup of uncooked white or brown rice in a 2 to 3 quart saucepan and bring to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer for 30 to 45 minutes with the lid on until rice is soft. Add 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract, and cinnamon to taste. Then stir. Serve warm and top with almonds or another type of nut like walnuts or pecans. Refrigerate leftovers within 2 hours. If pudding is thicker than desired, add a splash of milk before serving.
Okay, this is our almond rice pudding. Hope you enjoy.
Eat, Move, Save.